Hey art friends, today I want to show you the art supplies we use most when we draw together. This is our main setup, so this is the one we use again and again in lots of our lessons. And if you're new here, welcome. We're really happy you found us. And if you've been drawing with us for a while, this will be a fun refresher. I like to keep our art supplies simple. That way we spend more time drawing and less time figuring out what tool to use next. The first and most important art supply is something to draw with, and I like using a black marker. This is what I usually draw with, and I like using a permanent marker because it makes bold lines we don't have to erase. And if permanent marker feels a little scary, that's okay. You can use a washable marker instead. The most important thing is that your lines are dark and easy to see. Next are the markers for coloring. We often use alcohol-based markers because the colors are really bright and smooth. They're permanent, so if you'd rather use water-based or washable markers, that works great too. Use markers that you're comfortable with and colors you love. And to go with markers, we use marker paper. And this paper is thicker than regular paper. It helps keep the ink from bleeding through. I like to use 2 sheets to protect the table. And some marker paper is only meant to be used on one side, so make sure you're drawing on the front when you tear it out of the pad. Next is a pencil, and we don't always use pencils, but sometimes we lightly sketch the shapes first. I like using a mechanical pencil so I don't have to stop and sharpen, but any pencil works just fine. And last is an eraser. A good eraser helps clean up the sketch lines without smearing the paper, and I like using this white eraser because it does a great job. These are the supplies we use most when we draw. Keeping things simple helps us focus on drawing, practicing, and having fun. Markers are bold, they're colorful, and exciting to use, which makes them great for artists of all ages. And remember, you don't need these exact supplies to draw with us. Use what you have and feel free to switch things up. Your drawing doesn't need to look exactly like ours. Different is good. And thanks so much for drawing with us. Keep practicing, keep having fun, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.